This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Before starting this procedure, gather all the necessary tools and materials. Also make sure that you have plenty of clean rags and newspapers handy to mop up any spills. Ideally, the engine oil should be warm to help it drain better. Jack up the front of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Position the oil drain container beneath the sump drain plug. Slacken the sump drain plug and then remove it completely. After all the oil has drained, wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag and fit a new sealing washer. Clean the area around the drain plug opening and refit the plug. Tighten the drain plug to 30 Newton meters or 22 pounds per foot. On some engines, the sealing washer is integral with the drain plug and the drain plug must be renewed. Unbolt the bracket and clip the solenoid valve from above the filter. Place a cloth around the oil filter housing to catch any spilt oil. Use a 32mm socket to unscrew the filter cap and withdraw the filter and cap. Clean the filter housing. Remove the old filter from the cap and then replace the seals. The new oil filter comes with 2 O-ring seals. Check that the smaller O-ring is already fitted or supplied with the filter. Snap the new filter into the cap, noting the top marking of the filter, and lubricate the O-ring seals with engine oil. Fit the new filter and cap into the housing and tighten it to 25 Newton meters or 18 pounds per foot. Refit the solenoid valve and bracket. Remove the old oil and all tools from under the car. Lower the car to the ground. Remove the oil filter cap and position a funnel in the opening. Fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter cap. There may be a few seconds delay before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is started. Then switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump. Recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary.